Well, here it is. The house that I have bought. It's got some major problems. As you can see, the roof on the main part of the house looks pretty good. Their roof on their addition is not. And there's the main entrance. I replaced the doorknob already, but you can see when the SWAT team busted in, they did quite the number on the door. And here is what we have on the inside. There's the door where I came in. Got a number of structural problems to take care of. That is the landing for the stairs upstairs. There is no beam really to speak of there. That's going to have to be fixed. They got some big beams going through here. There. This one they just left sticking out and over. Goes way over there. They've pretty much have gutted it and pulled out most of the copper wiring. There's a little bit left here and there. There's the copper runs for water which go upstairs. If you look, you can see a little bit of a bow coming down on the ceiling there. That is because the floor joist, they got what, 2 inches on the bottom. They did not block around it, they just did that. And I'm pretty sure the toilet up there is rotting through. That'll have to be taken care of. And that is the S-trap for the tub upstairs. Got to take all the rest of the Latin plaster down here. There's where I was doing the first part of the video. Right here is where the kitchen used to be, or the sink and that. I'm not even going to try venturing walking into there. You can see all the damage from not taking care of stuff. And it goes even over into here. Well, my tentative plan, right here is where the original house ended. All of this stuff over here is added on. So, plan number 1, have all of that demoed, pulled out, pulled away, and redo the wall here and make that the end. second plan, if it's not too expensive, redo the foundations and everything out there so I can extend 8 feet out. Put a laundry closet there, stove, refrigerator, that stuff there, or maybe put the refrigerator next to the sink, keep the sink there, and go out 8 feet, have a large walk-in closet, walk-in pantry, something like that there. That's the stairs for going upstairs. That's the stairs for going into the basement. There's the first flight of stairs I just came up. And here is the rest of the stairs. And 2 bedrooms up here with a bath. This is 1 bedroom, pretty good size. This is the 2nd bedroom. Again, it's pretty good size. This is the back side of the bathroom. Wonder where those copper pipes go. They don't join up here. And here is the bathroom. That's probably where the sink used to be. There's the tub. Toilet. Okay. If everything works the way I would like it, the sink and stuff would be there. That seam going across there, the room would be extended 8 feet that way. The rest of that would be gone. Over there, laundry closet with stove and stuff there. Since there's no bathroom down here, the only bathroom is upstairs. I like to put a half bath right there. And law requires me to keep a door, so I would keep door opening there like that is. Oh, that stuff looks nasty. Okay, down into the basement. Hard to see, but that is the power box. You can see all the wires that are just cut off and hanging there. Looks like they pulled out most of the copper wiring. This is the basement. There's the furnace. You can see the ductwork for the furnace is not in good shape, so that'll have to be redone. All this trash will have to be cleaned out. I already cleaned out that side. I wanted to evaluate what the floor was like, what condition it was in. There's the cast iron sewer line. Water line is down there. The furnace, I don't know if it works. I need to check to make sure that the supports upstairs come straight down here. There are two beams, and I don't think those two beams are in line with this. Although, that's one heck of a beam. That's what, about a 6 by 10? Not too thrilled with the work that they did. The floor joists. They got cut off for the stairs to go down, and all I have is a 2x4 with 2x4s running down to support it. And I'll show you what really gets scary about that. Can you see how the 2x4s aren't even centered on the 2x4 that they're using for a beam? Yeah. Anyways, that's the basement. I'm looking at having this dividing wall repaired, having everything out here in the garage demoed. You can see just how bad some of the stuff is. If you look, the floor joists, because of the roof rotting and water coming in, they've rotted off on the ends and are hanging down. That's the only reason that the wall has not collapsed. The floor joists are actually pushing the wall back up. But have all this demoed and get an estimate on what it would cost to put it back up. I don't think there'd be too much material in here that would be reusable. That's the big hole that you saw upstairs. And you can see the sag. The floor joists over there are in pretty good shape. Of course, this big I-beam, that's a keep. Gotta. And there's a lot of junk in here that needs to be taken care of. I got tires and tires. I have a tank for fuel oil. Old refrigerator, more tires. That was the garage door. So, that's what I have. That's what I'm evaluating to see. Oh, and by the way, there is no floor. These are the footings. And I see that the footing is cracked. That's not good. Anyway, so I'll be getting a price on how to repair that wall, get that fixed, have that wall, this wall, and that wall, those three walls demoed, everything upstairs tore down, and see how much it would cost to have these three walls replaced, and then do some construction on top. That's my summer project.